Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorial how to cut out an image. So we have this example image, and if you want to cut out this image, first you can use these tools to select the main object. I will click from this point into here. Okay, can select for the main object with these pen tools, and after it press Ctrl A to select all objects and then go to object menu, click on clip and then set clip. So it will be automatically create the cutout image. As example, I will change for the background color. You can setting it like into red color. And that's it for a basic Inkscape tutorial how to cut out image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.